Hello, my name is Sam Hudson, and this is Module 1 for Cultural Diversity, just explaining me and my background and what makes me me. So about me, I'm from Boone, North Carolina. I lived there until I was a freshman in high school and then moved to Annapolis, Maryland. Uh, Went to Salisbury University and got a degree in exercise science and worked with kids and at the gym, training them, and realized that I also liked working with young people and making them better. So I went back and got a degree in mathematics. So I now teach at Severna Park High School, and this is my third year teaching there. I have also coached the JV football team, and so far it's been really rewarding and great. My family background: my dad is from Grifton, North Carolina. He has quite a southern accent that people up here in the north really love. Um, My mom, she's from Brentwood, Maryland, and she is full Italian. So her uh, parents were both from Italy. And then my two brothers, they're one younger brother and one older brother, who I feel like have really helped shape my life as well. And again, my mom's from Italy, so she brings in all the good Italian cooking that she can, and we do a bunch of Christmas traditions like making crostalis and other things of that nature. And we are Catholic as well, which helps. So my 10 photos that really make up me, the photo at the top with the shelves is kind of my desk area, and it's just somewhat neat. I like to be really organized and teach, and I think that really has made me more organized as well in life and everything else I do. The bottom left picture, that's a TV show called Hey Arnold. It was one of my favorite shows growing up. I watched a lot of Nickelodeon shows and TV when I was a kid. I still watch TV and movies, and I feel like I really learned a lot of, little kid life lessons growing up through that. I feel like it really helped me be better. My shirt that I'm wearing, it says straight out of Hardin Park. That's where I'm from originally, again, from Boone, North Carolina. And I think it, uh, again, had a big effect on me and how I treat others around me and just kind of that southern hospitality. I feel like I really try to use. The picture in the middle, the list of a workout. I like to work out a lot. A lot of times I'll just go on Instagram and find cool workouts that look interesting, and I'll be like, "Oh, cool, I'll try that one." So again, I try to work out as much as I can. It really helps me stay focused and relieve stress. And then the picture in the top right, those are friends. I think it's really important to have friends. It keeps me sane. We like to go out. We're at a concert right there where we ended up meeting my brother and a few more friends too. So I think they really helped shape me as well, my background and growing up with them, and just the influences that they've had on me. My next five photos, the top one again is my family, which I was talking about earlier, which I think just really shaped me. My dad being from the South has always, again, taught me manners. Yes, sir, no, sir. Yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, kind of thing. And I've really tried to continue that, and I'm going to try and instill it in my kids as well. The top picture, Ollie and Theo, those are my two dogs. Just kind of having them around the house is really great. It's impossible to keep a clean house with them, but they're always there for me. And if I'm ever sad, they know how to cheer me up right away. The top right picture is me and my girlfriend. We've been dating for almost 2 years, and she's, really helped me grow the past 2 years. She's probably been the most amazing thing that's happened lately to me. I've um, could learn a lot from her every day, and I continue to learn from her. She's amazing, and she supports me with everything I do as well, which again I feel like is continuing to shape me as a person now. The bottom picture is me coaching football with my other coaches. The guy in the all the way left is my dad. He coached with me, and he was a football coach growing up, and so I was around football all the time, and it really shaped me. And I think it helped me to be even a better student because I always wanted to push myself further and do the best I could in everything I did. And again, I'm coaching football now, and I just thank my dad for that. Um, the left picture is a tennis camp. So in the summers, I do tennis lessons. I played tennis in high school and really enjoyed it. Again, with the little kids, it's a lot of more babysitting with a little bit of tennis mixed in, but they really enjoy the camp and I enjoy hanging out with them. They always seem to make me laugh. So that's me, and that's what I think the photos are pretty well representative of my life and what shapes me and makes me do the things that I want to do. So thank you.